Hello and welcome to WindowsReport.com. I'm Henrik Fye. Sometimes you might be facing the problem that the automatic repair couldn't repair your Windows 10 PC. In this case, here's a couple of methods you can try and fix this problem. The first one would be to use command prompt from Windows 10 boot option menu. So if your computer doesn't boot at all, you can go in here in the boot section or the advanced startup options, go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced option, then go down where it says command prompt and click on it. Select an account you want to use. In my case, it's the only account I have, and enter your password. Once the command prompt is opened, you will want to type in the following: bootrec.exe/rebuild bcd and hit enter. And now it will scan all of the Windows installation files, and this might take a minute before you can actually see it. Once that is completed, type in bootrec.exe/fix-mbr and hit enter. Then again type in bootrec.exe/fix-boot and hit enter on that. The second method would be to boot to safe mode and run command prompt. All you have to do is, if you're in here again, go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, and then go startup settings, and then choose enable save mode. So just press restart. Once you're in here, you have to select them with your number keys. So F1, F2, F3, up until F9. Choose enable safe mode with networking, which is F5. So make sure you press F5. It will now restart your computer. And then once safe mode started, you now need to download the updated version of the driver that gives you the trouble. You can download the driver from the manufacturer's website, and you can save it to your USB flash drive. Let's now go on the bottom and type in CMD. Right click on it and press run as administrator. Then in here, again type the following command that I'm going to list in the description down below. dism/online/cleanup -image/restore health and hit enter. In some cases this might take up to 15 minutes to complete, so be patient and do not interrupt it. And then once the process has been completed, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. I hope this fixed your issue. Be sure to check out the full article down in the description below and subscribe if this helped you. Thank you very much for watching.